हम सबका एक ही सपना होता है, कनाडा जाएंगे, डॉलर्स कमाएंगे एंड लाइफ सेट है। एंड ऑनेस्टली आपका टेक्निकल ग्रोथ एंड फाइनेंशियल ग्रोथ हो जाता है व्हेन यू गेट हियर, यू गो टू दिस न्यू रोल एंड you have this shiny little office. But honestly guys, nobody tells you about the silent tax we pay for this growth. The silence when you come back to an empty apartment at 5 p.m. because sunset ho chuka hai, and also the realization that friends here are actually network connections. अगर आपको लगता है कि आप अकेले हो जो ये फील कर रहे हो, then trust me guys, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to share the reality of loneliness in Canada and give you some tips, hopefully, that can help you your way out of this situation. Hey friends, welcome to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Pradeep. I'm a product manager working in Canada. I also finished my MBA from the University of Alberta very recently. And on this channel, I share my experiences of life as an immigrant, building career in tech, and everything I'm learning along the way. Guys, let's first look at the numbers. According to Statistics Canada, 13% of Canadians who are aged 15 and above feel lonely. They either report that they are lonely almost always or often. That's millions of people, guys. The data also shows that students who are not couple are 3 times more likely to be lonely than those who are either married or in a relationship. आप देख सकते हो कि there is a Harvard study which identified that 62% of people feel lonely because they are either overworked or too busy. My tech professionals, this must be sounding very familiar to you guys. आप दिन भर मीटिंग में होते हो, जीरा टिकट्स मूव करते रहते हो, but meaningful conversations are next to zero. We mostly confuse connectivity like Slacks or Teams messages with connection, and that's where the real problem is. When I came to Edmonton for my MBA, I thought making friends could be very easy. School hai, log rahenge, but I quickly realized the difference between Indian friendship and Canadian networking, guys. In India, friendship happens in between moments, right? Chai break pe, ya lunch ke baad walk pe, and so on. Or sometimes spontaneously, bye, chalega. But in Canada, everything is scheduled. Say, even if for a coffee, you might hear, let's touch base next Tuesday at 4 p.m. I remember one specific Friday evening in Edmonton. It was minus 25 degrees. My assignments were all done and I had some free time. Or I looked at my phone and I realized, shit, I don't have anybody to talk to. That akelapan hits very differently in winter. So how do we fix this? I call this the social portfolio strategy. Just like आप अपने investments को diversify करते हो, you need to diversify your social sources as well. Step 1, the third place. Home is your first place. आप यहाँ पे सोते हो, रहते हो, all that. Office is your second. You need to find that third place where you go consistently. Don't just join a gym, guys. Go to a same class on the same time every week. For me, it was my first gym. पहले 2-3 हफ्ता awkward लगेगा, but consistency breeds familiarity. And once you have built that familiarity, you will breed more friendships. Don't wait to be invited. Just show up. Number 2 is the vulnerability. In tech, we are trained to be professionals and perfect. But Harvard research shows that vulnerability is the key to connection. Next time, आपको कोई colleague पूछता है, hey, how are you? Instead of robotic response like, good, you? Try micro vulnerability. मतलब, say, actually struggling a bit with winter gloom today. You will be surprised, guys, how many people will say, oh God, me too. That struggle that you share is the bonding agent. Step 3 is be the host. Culturally, we Indians are amazing hosts. Use that. Don't wait for an invite. Become that node in that network. So my friend actually started hosting small potluck dinners or game nights. You don't have to worry if your apartment is small. When you become this connector, you are never lonely, guys, because आप उस पूरे graph के center of attraction होते हो. Okay, so let's quickly talk about 2 common mistakes that I see friends do here. Number 1, thinking work friends are real friends too soon. In Canada, boundaries are pretty strong, guys. Don't overshare too early and let the trust build. Number 2, isolating in winter. ठंड है तो क्या हुआ? Get a good gear and go out. Seasonal affective disorder is real, guys. Isolation only feeds loneliness. Look, building a tribe in India is easy. It was given to us by birth or college. लेकिन यहाँ you have to build it from scratch. But it is possible, guys. If you're feeling lonely right now, drop a comment with your city name. Connect with others in comments and let's make this comment section the third place. मिलते हैं in next video. तब तक के लिए reach out to someone today and just say hi.